Hello, Brad Boy. Happy birthday. Praying for the Lord's blessings of peace, love, joy, prosperity, and good health. Hinaot dagan pang mga birthdays umaabot para nimo. God bless you. Take care, amping.
Brad Boy, on this wonderful day, I wish you the best that life has to offer. Happy birthday to my awesome engineering and drinking buddy. Brad Boy, I may not be by your side celebrating your special day, but I want you to know that I'm thinking of you and wishing you a wonderful birthday. I pray that all your wishes come true, and thank you for being such a great friend. Brad Pankini.
Hello BFF. Happy birthday to you. It's your 75th birthday. A golden anniversary. Kanusa ka mo na Cebu? Magkita niya ta sa February. Pohon. Okay, naka sa General Santos ron? Okay. See you then. Happy birthday again, my friend. Bye-bye.
Hello boy, happy birthday. Today is a very important day for you and your family. And I'm sending you this message. Boys, salamat ka sa atong pagka-amigo. Abot ni Lontarta ni Kadugaya. Ever since you were in college, you are one of my best friends. And today, as you celebrate your birthday, I'm greeting you with God's faithfulness in your life. Boy, I have something to say to you from the Bible. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Then you will call upon me and listen and pray for me. I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all of your heart. Boy, mo na yung verse ako ihatag kanimo because I know that you are a good and godly man. So boy, today is the day. Rejoice and be glad in it because this is a very important day that God has given you. And I give thanks to the Lord for your friendship to me and to the rest of our classmates. May God bless you always and your family. Happy birthday again, boy.
Oh, may hapon. Brad, di mo na yung birthday karon. Ha? Happy birthday, ha? Bilay na ni mo ron. 75? Murag dili tingali. Murag 74 ka pa. Well, anyway, naamay din yung grupo karon. Naadiri si Cecil, si King, si George, complete minimum happy birthday, Brad. Karon ihatag na ko sila. Ayan si Cecil.
Oh, uy. Happy birthday.
Advance.
Send it niya. Kanang
Video na lang tayo.
hope to have many more healthy years to come.
Happy birthday, boy! Ako, pag-unom sa kong ka-birthday. Patatala ka na mong video niya sa akong birthday. Enjoy na lang diya sa imong diya sa inyo ba? Sa pala yung pag-celebrate sa imong birthday. Okay. Happy birthday again.
Hey, happy birthday. Yeah.
Rami diri sa Lantaw. Nakari na ka diri. Ako kayo lugar Brad, gusto kami mag-ikuha ni mo diya, pero waman, isa pa kayo na sa Santos. Sige, sige. Kumusta na lang sa imong pamilya? Alam. Oh.